Hi, my name is Andrei Yakovenko from New Element Training. In this video we will do a biceps curl where we're going to use rubber bands. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to our channel so you'll be one of the first to see when we post our new instructional educational videos on the subject of what we call net method strength training, which you can do at home. Now, the way we're going to do this biceps curl is basically you can find like a couch or armchair or anything that you can wrap your rubber hand kind of lower at the lower portion of your couch. You can do it like a foot of your couch, and then you're going to wrap your rubber band around it, and you're going to hold it this way. Wrap the rubber band around your wrist. Now, the more you're going to wrap around, the more resistance you're going to get. And also, don't sit too close to the couch, go a little bit further away. So again, you get a little bit more resistance on your biceps. Now, get in this position. When you drop your shoulders down, your elbows going to be tucked in. So here I'm ready to go. And then from here, I'm simply slowly and under control, I'm squeezing my biceps. So I'm controlling my rubber band from my biceps, there. And I'm squeezing, keeping the shoulders down, elbows tucked in. All the way until my biceps are fully contracted, until about there, and slowly come down. And again, as I'm coming down, I'm focusing on controlling it from my biceps. And the further away again you from the couch, the more resistance you're gonna get. And again, pause, shoulder down, and I'm kind of like pulling the rubber bands from my biceps. I'm focusing on my biceps, and just pulling from my biceps, squeezing. I already can feel the intensity, full contraction. Pause, shoulders down, full squeeze, and slowly coming down. Maintain my form until about there. Pause. We're not gonna go all the way back, make sure that the biceps doesn't get any rest. It continuously being stimulated. And squeezing, shoulders down, elbows tucked in the same position. Squeezing. I can really feel the intensity here at the top of the range of motion. Pause, squeeze the biceps. Slowly come down. Now I can probably do a few more, but let's assume this is the last one. Now you're gonna pause, and I'm gonna try to finish. And what's gonna happen? You might find this last one, you're simply unable to finish in a good form. So what you can do is you can cheat a little bit, okay? You can just get the rubber band to the top somehow, stand up, and fight for that 30-second negative. 5 basically only coming down when you absolutely have to, when you have no other choice. Feeling that burn in the biceps. 20 seconds to go, hard, all out effort, all out. So in this situation, even the life would depend on it. You simply wouldn't be unable to curl your biceps anymore. You only can come down, and you're controlling until the end. Maybe 10 more seconds. Fight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then I'm sitting down, letting go of the rubber band, and you're done. So again, by doing this strict form, we satisfied our 3 guiding principles. We focus on the muscle first, before the movement. We are moving it slowly under control, sequentially stimulating all the lower to the higher order fiber types, all the way to those emergency fibers at the end of the set, particularly when doing those 30-second, that negative descent, which would satisfy our 3rd principle, which is that overload theory, where we engage in those emergency fibers and given our muscles more intensity of work that was previously demanded, which would create the stimulus or positive adaptation. If you need more information, you can go to our website, newelementtraining.com, or shoot us an email, info@newelementtraining.com, if you'd like to perhaps book a virtual online coaching session. Thank you.